Ничего себе.
Для понимания ситуации это назвать вот так или отъезд.
Сугроб до 9-го этажа. Ничего себе. До 9-го этажа. Не верит.
Since mid-January, Kamchatka has been hit by abnormal snowfall caused by several consecutive cyclones for over a week. The Sea of Okhotsk cyclone brought heavy rainfall to the peninsula. On January 13 to 14 alone, 52% of the monthly average fell in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky. Snow depths in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky reached 51 to 133 centimeters, and in the neighboring village of Sosnovka, 163 centimeters. Forecasters recorded this as the heaviest snowfall on the peninsula in 30 years. Snow fell in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky on January 15, 2026. Huge snowdrifts blocked the entrances of apartment buildings, forcing residents to dig tunnels to escape. Cars were completely buried in the snow, turning roads into impassable snowdrifts. The blizzard reduced visibility in the region to zero. A state of emergency was declared in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky after 2 people died in snowdrifts. Public transportation was halted, and schools and other institutions were closed. Rescue workers, student groups, volunteers, military personnel, and even submarine crews joined the snow-clearing efforts.
Ничего себе.
The situation in Kamchatka followed a more alarming scenario. The previous 2 years of low snowfall appeared to have weakened the city's services of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, and the unusual snowfall, triple the monthly average in December, appeared to have caught them off guard. Contracts with contractors for some areas were discovered to have not been signed, and the main cleaning company was in the process of going bankrupt. The consequences were dire. The city faced not only a transportation collapse, but also a garbage collection crisis. In some cases, ambulances were unable to reach patients, leading to criminal charges. The deputy mayor in charge was suspended. For a long time, main roads were only partially cleared, paralyzing traffic in many areas. Tragedy struck. An avalanche from a roof claimed the life of a man. Authorities are working to remedy the situation. School holidays have been extended, and many businesses have switched to remote work. To assist residents, a social taxi service has been organized, consisting of official vehicles from the Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, Yelizovo, and Kamchatka Krai governments. New specialized equipment has also arrived to assist and respond immediately to snow piles. In Buries, as elsewhere, the main priority for snow removal is major transportation routes, high-traffic highways, and public transportation routes. The work continues around the clock. At night, graders, tractors, and road maintenance vehicles clear the snow piles. In the morning, they are replaced by M&EZ trucks, which add the mandatory topsoil to the cleared roads. The equipment also clears driveways and parking lots, removes snowdrifts, and sweeps sidewalks. Each cleared area is treated with de-icing agent. At the same time, road combined vehicles conduct targeted work throughout the city, addressing high-risk areas such as intersections and pedestrian crossings.
Поворачиваемся, на дверь опираемся и вот так вот заползаем.
Coordination continues around the clock with the directors of management companies, who are required to promptly clear the areas around buildings. All city agencies and businesses are also responsible for clearing snow and debris from the surrounding areas. One such snowstorm occurred in November. Buries utility workers deployed 15 pieces of equipment to clear the busiest roads and public transportation routes. All businesses and management companies in the city were also required to resume work. Priority was given to hospitals, schools, and kindergartens. In mid-December, a new powerful cyclone hit the region. In response to the worsening conditions on the R297 Federal Highway, the Ministry of Emergency Situations deployed 9 permanent warming stations and kept 4 more in reserve. These stations provided safe havens for drivers caught in the storm. They could warm up with hot tea, get blankets, charge their phones, or even warm up their cars with heaters. Emergency responders were always on standby, ready to call an ambulance at any time. Although Khabarovsk itself had a mild winter, the Nikolaevsky district of Khabarovsk-Krai was experiencing a real natural disaster. The district has been hit by its 5th cyclone this winter, which, according to district head Anatoly Leonov, brought the most snowfall in decades. The situation was exacerbated by strong winds that swept directly.
Аккуратно спиной поворачиваемся, на дверь опираемся и вот так вот заползаем.